28 by 28 feet. This is a really good example, the one we're standing in right now. This is a full-size plot of 28 by 28 feet. We're looking right now, however, at the grave of the guy you're kind of seeing here. I'll kind of spin around a little bit since you're all the way around me. All right, here we have Amos R. Appleton, who was born in New Jersey in 1819. He came to Sioux City really early in 1856 aboard the steamboat Omaha. He started a dry goods business, which he operated until 1868, except for a short time when he served as a storekeeper during the Civil War from 1862 to 1865. In 1867, Appleton built the Sioux City Exchange Mill for flour milling along the Floyd River. This is still a milling site today. This is where Cargill is located. It's been a continuously operating grain milling site since 1867. He was elected to the Iowa legislature in 1868 and served 3 terms. He also served as postmaster in the early 1860s. He died of malaria in 1880.
How would he have gotten malaria?
That's a really good question. We're not moving very far. We're just going to